Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE AD5X 3D printer lets you create vibrant, multicolor prints using up to 4 colors at once, making your designs stand out with rich detail. Its one-click auto-leveling feature saves you time and effort by automatically adjusting the print bed, ensuring smooth and accurate printing every time. Thanks to its Core XY design, it can print at an impressive speed of up to 600 mm per second, which means faster project completion without sacrificing quality. Plus, with a 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder and advanced cooling system, you get sharp, precise prints that meet high standards for both prototypes and final products. What we like: easy assembly and setup, automatic bed leveling, reliable print quality, multicolor capability, great value for price. What we don't like: software can be buggy, multicolor prints take longer. Number 2. ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Centauri Carbon is designed for users who want a hassle-free 3D printing experience. It comes fully assembled and calibrated, so you can start printing immediately without any setup stress. Its Core XY design allows for extremely fast printing speeds, letting you create large, detailed objects quickly. The printer supports high-performance materials with a hot nozzle reaching 320 degrees Celsius, perfect for strong and heat-resistant parts. Plus, its sturdy die-cast aluminum frame keeps everything stable, even at high speeds, ensuring your prints come out smooth and precise every time. This makes the ELEGOO Centauri Carbon ideal for both beginners and experienced makers. What we like: easy setup process, fast and accurate printing, excellent print quality, Wi-Fi connectivity, versatile filament compatibility. What we don't like: fans slightly noisy, minor vibration during printing. Number 3. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is designed to enhance your 3D printing experience. With one-click automatic printing, you can enjoy effortless bed leveling, ensuring perfect adhesion and a flawless first layer every time. Its ultra-fast printing capability allows you to produce high-quality prints quickly, making it ideal for rapid prototyping. The printer features a smart design that enables quick nozzle changes in just 3 seconds, letting you switch between different materials seamlessly. Additionally, its superior print quality is supported by multiple nozzle sizes, offering versatility for both detailed designs and large-scale projects. What we like: outstanding customer service, user-friendly setup, fast heating and smooth operation, reliable auto-leveling, easy software customization. What we don't like: occasional device-specific issues, minor print adhesion challenges. Number 4. FLASHFORGE AD5M Pro 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE AD5M Pro is a versatile 3D printer designed to make your printing experience easy and enjoyable. Its quiet operation, with a low-noise mode, helps you focus whether you're working or studying. The advanced automatic leveling system takes the hassle out of setup by ensuring a perfect first layer every time with just one click. Safety is a priority, as the fully enclosed design and dual filtration system keep the air clean by filtering out harmful particles and odors, making it safe for home or classroom use. Plus, it supports a wide range of materials and nozzle sizes, so you can print with flexibility and precision. What we like: easy setup and calibration, excellent print quality, fast printing speed, automatic bed leveling, great value for price. What we don't like: some Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Printer can be noisy. Number 5. FLASHFORGE AD5M 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE AD5M printer is designed to make 3D printing easy and efficient for both beginners and experienced users. It features a fully automatic one-click leveling system, so you don't have to worry about manual calibration, ensuring your prints start perfectly every time. The printer's sturdy Core XY all-metal structure provides smooth and quiet high-speed printing without losing quality. Plus, the quick-release nozzle system lets you swap nozzles in seconds without any tools, giving you flexibility for detailed or fast printing. This user-friendly design helps you focus on creating great projects with less hassle. What we like: easy setup and calibration, excellent print quality, fast printing speed, automatic bed leveling, great value for price. What we don't like: somewhat loud operation, occasional Wi-Fi connectivity issues.